I know the question you have. Why is life being so unfair with me these days? No matter whatever kind of work I do, how much I work really hard, but situation is just not turning for me. Everything is going against me, everything is going in a rapid form, and I'm not able to catch up onto so many things. Like, I felt this reactions would be this way. I was expecting certain things out of certain situations, certain people, but nothing is coming true. Why is it so shaky? Yeah, your life is kind of in a boomerang, in a way place where you're not able to get control of your life at all. Well, you have something that is coming your way, and it's very, very quick. What is it? We are going to decode that with the help of the readings today. Excuse me with my throat, I have my throat chakra blocked. It's kind of cleansing. Tomorrow, that is 29th of March, is a way too important day to ignore. So please, one thing that you need to do is do your cleansing. 0110, as I was talking about it, something fell down and it was choices, the card of choices. So whatever choices you might have come to, the cross path you have been into, the choices are breaking down. You are understanding, you're getting a clarity of what is it that is actually working for you and what is it that is not at all working for you, excuse me, not at all working for you. So the choices are dropping down. I mean, you are ticking it off like, no, this is not going to work, this is not going to work, this is how it is going to work. There's a small surprise coming your way very, very soon. I know you have been waiting for big things. You're not waiting for something very small. You're not waiting for something like, I really worked hard so to reach to a certain particular destination, not to have a limited destination like what universe is offering you now. Many of you are also going through a process like you are someone who's struggling even to have your own bread butter, have your own livings, to take care of your own self. Some of you are going through a tremendous health problems, health issues. You might feel sick, you might feel exhausted. Some of you are even traveling, but now traveling here means there is some kind of dissatisfaction. So in short, whatever you have been expecting out of life is just not giving you that. Honey, you're not all alone. We all are sailing the same boat. Well, let's go ahead and deep dive. What are we supposed to do? Well, I hope I'm not repeating this, but tomorrow being the most heavy day, or I would say the most powerful day, make sure that you cleanse your house. You get to your wardrobe, check what is not aligned with you, the clothes that are not fitting up, go ahead and throw it. Redesign your wardrobe, especially your slippers. Go ahead and check with your shoes, whatever these are. Tomorrow is quite powerful and important day. Don't let it go waste. Most of the time, try to stay in isolation, try to stay with yourself, and try to do something that will help you cleanse out the space, empty the space at a physical level. Make sure to take saltwater baths, do saltwater rituals at night if possible, after the evening, like before you going to bed. Try to do that. That will help you cleanse out your energies, what you have taken up. As well, journal. No, it's not the day to manifest. It's a day for you to cleanse out those energies which are really not important, to cleanse out those relations which are really not important. 0405, as I was talking about it, and this is the card. This card is trying to say that whatever hard work you have put in, whatever sacrifices you have put in, birds chirping, yeah, nature, greenery, you might be pulled towards greenery, you might be pulled towards peacock feather, you might get feathers as a sign. Well, whatever this is, this timeline has brought you to a situation where you feel now everything is done. Nothing is going to work out, nothing is going to change, nothing is going to bring in any kind of success. 444, as I was talking about it. Thank you, angels, for your presence. Let's go ahead and pull a few more cards for you. Nothing is going to work out, or there was some kind of self-doubt. The cross path I was talking about, it came in reverse. It's trying to say that all the options you felt, this might work, that might work, or I don't know which way to go, everything. Number 3, and my throat, yes. Your throat chakra is getting activated, which is quite flourishing. All the options are falling down. It's zeroing down to one thing that is going to work, and it's not just that one thing. There are multiple paths, but the dilemma, the illusions you were in, like, I'm not pretty sure if this path, repeating the cycle, going back to that comfort zone, doing that job again, getting inside the profile again, going back to that relation again, is going to be powerful or not. No, universe is trying to say that, honey, no, you're not supposed to go back, because all the paths are closing, all your past chapters are closing. You have cleansed out your karma successfully. You stood so strong. It's in reverse. 5 of Pentacles. Some of you have been under immense financial crunch. You felt sick of fighting. You are feeling exhausted. Whatever this is going off. The fight has ended. You stood your ground. Congratulations, because the new time is beginning from 31st of March. 30th, we have Neptune placements. We have all planets coming under the one place. Everything is happening quickly now, at a quick of your eye blink, I would say. The impulsiveness that you had initially, that is gone. You're no more the person who would take an impulsive decision. You are getting more wiser and better, understanding the vibes of the place, understanding the vibes of people, situation, and then taking proper position and decisions in your life. The confirmation. You're not someone who's getting involved into random and rash decisions, which almost took away so much out of you. You are someone, you have turned into a personality who knows when to speak and what to speak. Your throat chakra has expanded. Not only that, I'm also seeing some kind of paper, something that you are an artist. You are an artist. Something has, so many cards came out. You are starting afresh, and this dead version is all gone now, especially tomorrow. A lot is going to happen. A lot of clarity is going to come your way. Whatever this is, this clarity will cut out all the options you thought were a better choice. So some of you might not yet been getting clarity onto, you are getting more into logical reasoning or your past experience. There is something that needs to cleared out, and this card is giving me a heavy energy of cleansing that is going to happen on 29th and 30th, 000, as I was talking about it. 29th and 30th of this month, that is March, you are getting upskilled. There is an emotional balance. Now, collabing all these 4 cards is what I'm seeing here is the old self, which really didn't have much to offer, or it did offer. I'm not saying it didn't have much to offer. Reason being, you already had given more than enough. That old self is getting more wiser, is not crying over the spilt milk. It's not crying over what is gone out of life. It's not crying over any kind of problems, messages. Your mobile is going to beep. Not crying over whatever you have lost during this phase of letting go. It is now ready to celebrate, upskill yourself, collaborate yourself, keep on working hard. Now keep on working hard. Your hard work wasn't waste. You might not have been paid well enough. I'm sorry guys, my throat again. You have not been paid well enough. You really worked so hard that you could not understand Why am I not being given the fruits of life? So universe is saying now is the time where you will suddenly get a notification that your particular skills, there are three of pentacles, your particular skills are needed in a collaboration, in a group where you would be able to utilize the skills and feel emotionally fulfilled. You are about to have some kind of trip, you are traveling somewhere, you're going somewhere, something is happening which is sweet, which is sweet success. Something is coming your way which is sweet success. Do I have to say anything beyond this? You are in the power 10. 1000. Yeah, 1000. Yeah, I was right, sorry. You are all in power. You are all in that focus that you need. You are completely skilled. You have just had your phoenix moment, honey. Okay, all the exertion, you are someone who is going to be the most authoritative person. If you're someone who is watching this recording, you're watching this video, you seem to be someone who is quite a leader. Like you are someone who's a leader. You would be setting yourself as an example for many, and not necessarily you would be teaching or counseling or doing consultation kind of situation, but people are observing you. They have been observing you since long now. People are observing you, they are watching you, and they are learning out of you. Like, how did this person grow this much? And no, not out of jealousy, but out of a learning lesson. People around you now are more observant, learning, and you are an inspiration to them. So yes, you are someone who's inspiring others. You are under this transformative journey. Everything is happening within 2 through 3. Oh, 11 11 11 11. Everything is changing quite fast tracked. You are done with all your lessons. You really don't have to worry anything now. Just sit back, surrender, and see what universe has to offer. You don't have to go ahead, go beyond anyone, go behind anyone, or do any such things. No, but the situations will come to you. You would be discovered. You are going to be discovered by people, by companies, or even by your loved ones. You really don't have to do much. 1144, you might be seeing 44, 444, 555. You might be seeing something is happening on Friday, 6th. Number 6 could be significant. Something is happening on Friday. I'm recording this on Friday. Something just finalized, something just let go. We have been talking about choices that are going out. Something is happening on Tuesday, 3rd. It could be number 3, or it could be happening on Tuesday. Start being creative. You're asked to be called to be more and more creative. Something is happening in Aries season, which we are in, of course. So something is happening really quick. 12:31, again 21. Something is happening on 21, or something happened on 21st of March, between 21st of March or till date, which has made you think twice about certain options. Something is coming your way which will help you be more creative, more successful, and build. Your foundation has already been created. Now it's just time for you to fly. The Phoenix movement you have already crossed. Now it's the time for you to fly. Whoever you are successful person. You are someone who's going to build your own family's name, but get that fame, get that success, or get that I would say you are setting stone for all your relatives around you. 1313, I don't know why I said that. Like, people, you have been compared with your cousins, you have been compared with the complete society. Now everyone would be compared to you. So you are setting an example for everyone in your family, everyone in your society, your childhood, anyone and everyone who knows you from your childhood, I would say this way. Well, messy. Yeah, messy. Everything looks messy at this point of time, but everything is making sense now. Wait for just 2 days, and see the changes happening. Don't forget to do the cleansing work tomorrow. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, high time you do that, honey. Well, don't forget to do your cleansing tomorrow, your cleansing, your physical space cleansing, rework, redesign your workstation. Go ahead and check your wardrobe and donate in the evening. That makes more and more of sense. I love you all. Stay blessed, and yes, subscribe. Om Namah Shivaya.